Hello friends, welcome to Digital Marketing Seco channel. In this video, I will help you understand how you can create a website in 24 hours with absolutely no coding skills. So in this video, I'll cover two main topics: that how can you create your own website, your digital presence online, and what are the various steps involved in creating that website. So the first question which we need to address in any online website or digital marketing is that what is your business idea, which basically means whether you want to start a blog, which can be a travel blog or an entertainment blog, or if you are a writer, you can create on your blog, or you can create a service like a grocery store. So, for example, if you have an offline business, how can you launch that service online with your own domain and your own website? Or whether you want to create a news website or anything else you want to create, which is your, according to you, is your business. Once you have finalized that business idea, that I want to start a blog, or I want to create a news website, or I want to start my own service, then there are basically three big steps to follow. For that blog or service or a website, you would need a domain name. So, what exactly is a domain name? So, domain name is basically your business name in the online world, right? So, www is the World Wide Web, which we call. For any website, you need to type in www, and this is your business name. This can be, a blog name, this can be your own name. If you are a digital marketer, it can be any business name which you feel like. So once you have decided, okay, I want to book a domain, then what you need to do is go to godaddy.com, and here you need to sign up. You can see sign in because I'm already a customer of GoDaddy. Then you sign up in this create my account. Okay, and because I'm signed in, so you will have a different screen when you will be doing that, right? And then after signing up, right, let's say you want to research, you know, how should I get a domain, right? So let's say if I want to start a grocery store, right? So let's say I type in Delhi groceries delhi.com, and let's say whether this domain is available. So it says that it is available, Delhi groceries delhi.com, the business I want to start, and click on add to cart, right, and continue on the cart. And it will show you various other add-ons, which I would suggest you just say no thanks, no thanks, no thanks, and continue with these options. And under this, Here's my card. And now, whether you want to register your domain for 1 year or you want to register it for 2 years, it totally depends on your business strategy and goals. But in my experience, start with 1 year because it's a startup. So in 1 year, you would gain more clarity on your online business, and then you put your CVC code here, and then you're good to go. Once you do this, right, you need to check your inbox on your Gmail or email ID with which you have registered on GoDaddy. There you would find, the details of your purchase, the amount you have paid, and it would also show you the name servers which you need to add in the hosting provider. Uh, so the hosting piece I would take in the next video. Till now, what we have discussed, just to recapture, that first you decide what is your business idea, what are your goals, is it a blog, service. Once you create that business idea, go to GoDaddy, find a domain for yourself, and then the second step would come is that how do I host my domain, right, on a server, right, so that the World Wide Web users across the globe can access your domain and come to your website. Thanks so much for watching my video. I would tell you about hosting, how you can host your domain in the next video.